Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have LG dual inverter AC and its remote is not working and you want to use your AC from mobile, then you can easily use your AC from mobile. It is very important to have Xiaomi Mi and Redmi phone to use AC. So let's start the video. First of all, open your mobile's Play Store. After opening Play Store, search in Play Store Jaja Remote and install Jaja Remote. Now I will tell you how you can use this app. After installing Jaja Remote, open the Jaja app. Now agree to the terms and conditions of this app. After that you will see the AC symbol in the screen. You have to touch that AC symbol. After that you have to find LG company. You can set many AC with this app. After that you can see LG. Now touch in LG. After touching in LG, the page with remote will open. After that you can see matching LG AC 1 to 30 remote is in this app. Now you use your mobile in the same way as you use AC from AC remote. Now press the red color power button. Pressing the power button makes a beep sound, then you touch it, it works. If there is no beep sound, touch next. Now my AC is not connecting, so I am doing next. Second remote after next. Now I am pressing the power button again. There is a beep sound when you press the power button. So now I will touch. It worked. It worked. After touch, the remote is fully formed. Now you can use AC from this remote very easily. And now you can use this remote anytime offline too. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.